Hi! In front of me is Samsung M53, and today I would like to show you how you can check all specifications of this device. First of all, go into Play Store, tap on the search bar and type in DevCheck. Following that, you need to install this free app, DevCheck Device and System Info, and open it. Thanks to this app, you can learn all the information about your Samsung's dashboard, hardware, system, battery, network, apps, camera, and sensors. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!